Here we see a question from IIT JAM 2022, and in this question you see the question. See here, look at the sentences, the numbers carefully, and now I go to solve this one. So here you see that order of G is 2022, and this number can be factored as 2 into 1011, and again you can factor 1011 as 3 into 337, and in this you see these all numbers 2, 3 and this one, all these three numbers are prime numbers. And one more thing, in the question we have K, the order of K, the order of K. Okay, we will deal this one later. First see, you see that since this 337 is a prime number, so there will be a group of this order, a subgroup of G of this order, and this has already been given in the question, and that subgroup is H with order 337. Now since this is a prime number, so we will find the number of such subgroups. I mean the number of those subgroups of G which have order 337. And by the use of Sylow theorem we can find this one. And for this, we take 1 plus this prime number 337 and an integer. Here A is an integer, and this number should divide the order of G, that is 2022. And if you check, taking A, since A is an integer, and keep in mind A is not a negative integer, so you should take A equals to 0, 1, 2. If you check, then there will be only one value of A, 0, for which this relation hold. Okay, this means if you put A equals to 0, then 1 divides 2022. This is true. So there is, since only one value, since we have only one value, then this H subgroup H is unique, and any unique subgroup is a normal subgroup. So H is a normal subgroup. Again, one more thing, order of K, is 674, and this also can be factored as 2 into 337. You see that this again is a prime number, and you know the order of h is the same, that is here I can write 2 into order of h. So, and you know I have already proved that h is a unique subgroup. So h is also subgroup of k, and this implies that h union k will be k. Okay, now let us see our options. Here in options, h is a normal subgroup of h union k. I have already proved that h is a normal subgroup, and obviously here you see in the question it is given that, you see in the question it is given that h union k is a subgroup, is a subgroup. It is possible only when h is a subgroup of h union k. Okay, so from this we have h is a subgroup of h union k. I have proved that h is a normal subgroup. So our option A is correct. This option A is correct. And B, the order of h union k, I have already found that order of h union k is 674, that equals to order of k, but here it is given order of k is, in the question you can see that is 674, but here it says, option B says that it is 1011. So this option is wrong. Here we have to choose the false option, so we have to mark this B option as our required option, not the correct option, our required option. It means in the examination hall we have to circle the option B. Now the order of h union, and one more thing, since I have got the false option, so there is no need to check C and D, because this question is of the type multiple choice question, and in such type of questions you know only one option, there is only one option to choose. Since I have chosen option B as our answer, so there is no need to go for C and D, but for the learning purpose, we should go. So here you see that the order of h union k is 674. Obviously it is true. Okay, this is true. K is normal subgroup of h union k. You saw that h union k was equal to k. So it means at the place of h union k we can take k. So the sentence becomes k is a normal subgroup of k. Obviously it is true. Every group is a normal subgroup of itself. So this option D is also correct. So there is only one option as incorrect option, and that is B. So according to question we have to choose the false one. Here you see, so we have to mark option B as the answer. So now this question is done now.